Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will introduce erasure and restrictions on generics. Generics are implemented using an approach called type erasure. The compiler uses the generic type information to compile the code, but erases it afterwards. So the generic information is lost at runtime. This approach enables the generic code to be backward compatible with legacy code that uses raw types. For example, the compiler checks whether generics is used correctly in the foreign code right here. So this is the array list of strings. Add one string into the list. And so this is to obtain the first element and return it, assigned to a string variable. Everything is fine at a compile time. Now this generic information, the string right here, is lost at runtime. After this is compiled, this information is gone. So the runtime, it works like this. You're using the raw type and you add the string into list, and now you are going to cast this element into the string. So this is called a compile time checking, and the generics is used at this compile time. It is important to note that a generic class is shared by all its instances, regardless of its actual generic type. We have these two generic types, string and integer. Although generic stack string and generic stack integer are two types, but there's only one class generic stack loaded into the JVM. The restrictions on the generics, because of this erasure approach we used for processing generics, it comes with restrictions. Restriction 1, you cannot create an instance of a generic type. For example, you cannot say new E. Restrictions 2, generic array creation is not allowed. New E brackets 100 is not allowed. Restriction 3, a generic type parameter of a class is not allowed in a static context. Restriction 4, exception classes cannot be generic. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.